Good morning students. Today we are going to start exercise number 10.4. Question number first is two circles of radii 5 cm and 3 cm intersect at 2 points and the distance between their centers is 4 cm. Find the length of common chord. मतलब हमें इसमें जो कॉमन कॉर्ड आ रही है दोनों सर्कल की उसकी क्या फाइंड करनी है, हमें लेंथ फाइंड करनी है. क्लियर? सो एक्सरसाइज 10.4 सॉल्यूशन नंबर 1. हमने दो सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लिए. एक सर्कल हो गया हमारा ओ ए, ओ डैश जो है हमारे बीच में क्या है, दोनों सेंटर है. ए बी कॉमन कॉर्ड है. एम इस पे परपेंडिकुलर है. इसकी वैल्यू ओ ए की है हमारी 5 सेंटीमीटर, ओ डैश की हमारी है 3 सेंटीमीटर और ओ डैश की हमारी कितनी है 4 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो लेट ओ and O dash be the center of circle of radii 5 cm and 3 cm respectively. Let AB be their common chord. So given OA is equals to 5 cm, O dash A is equals to 3 cm and O dash is equals to 4 cm. Clear? Then AO dash square plus O dash square is equals to, we are using PGT, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we have to find the third side. That's why 3 square plus 4 square, it will be 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. So OA square is equals to 25. Okay, then OA is equals to 5 cm. हमने प्रूव कर दिया कि OA क्या है हमारा 5 cm है. So O dash A is right angle triangle and right angle at O dash. So area of triangle O dash A is equals to half into base into height. Right angle triangle का एरिया हमारा होता है half into base into height. Okay, then it will be half into 3 into 4. हम 2 से 4 को कैंसिल कर देंगे तो हमारा 3 2 जा कितना हो जाएगा 6 ही हो जाएगा, 6 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. एंड गिव इट टू इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. ओके, देन ऑल्सो वी नो दैट व्हेन टू सर्कल्स इंटरसेक्ट एट द पॉइंट देन देयर सेंटर्स लाइन on the perpendicular bisector of common chord. Okay, so area of triangle O dash A is equals to half into O dash into AM. AM is perpendicular. Clear? Then half into 4 into AM. Okay, so it will be 2 से हम कैंसिल कर देंगे. So 2AM बाय इक्वेटिंग इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड. इक्वेशन फर्स्ट की हमारा आंसर था 6 और सेकेंड हमारी आई 2AM. ओके, सो AM इज इक्वल्स टू 2 अपॉन में चला जाएगा, कैंसिल हो जाएगा, कितना बचेगा आपका 3. क्लियर? AB इज इक्वल्स टू 2 इंटू AM. सो AB इज इक्वल्स टू AM की वैल्यू हमारी 3 है, 2 इंटू 3 देन इट विल बी 6. मतलब हमें जो फाइंड करनी थी कॉमन कोड की लेंथ वो हमारी कितनी आ गई 6 सेंटीमीटर. क्लियर? Okay, so question number 3 is if two equal chords of circle intersect with the circle, then we have to prove that the line joining the points of intersection to the center make equal angle with the chord. Clear? So solution number 3 is, first we draw the diagram. Okay, here R, Q and MN are the two chords. Okay, O is the center of the circle and OC and OB are the perpendiculars and P is the intersecting point. Okay. So let RQ and MN be the two equal chords of a circle with center O. MN and RQ intersect at point P and MN is equals to RQ. It's given that two chords are equal. So it will be MN is equals to RQ. So we have to prove that angle OPM is equals to angle OPQ. So in construction, first draw OC perpendicular RQ and OB perpendicular MN and join OP. Here we join OP line. Then so in proof, in right angle triangle OCP and triangle OBP we have. Okay, so if our triangle is right angle triangle, so angle OCP is equals to angle OBP because each angle is 90 degree. OP is equals to OP because both are common and OC is equals to OB are the radii of the circle. Equal chords of the circle are equidistant from the center. So triangle OCP is congruent to triangle OBP by RHS congruent rule. If both triangles are congruent, so we can write angle OPC is equals to angle OPB by CPCT. It's corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Okay, so it's hence proved. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आप खुद से ट्राई कीजिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, Three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing in a circle of radius 5 cm drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between the Reshma and Salma and between the Salma and Mandeep is 6 cm each, then we have to find the what is the distance between the Reshma and Mandeep. Clear? So first we draw the diagram. Okay, R is denote the Reshma, S is denote the Salma and M is denoted by the Mandeep. Okay, so draw perpendiculars OA and OB. OA and OB are the two perpendiculars on RS line and SM respectively. So AR is equals to AS is equals to 6 upon 2. It will be 3 cm. And OR, OS, OM is equals to 5 cm is the radii of the circle. Clear? So in triangle OAR, we are using PGT, Pythagoras theorem. It's OA square plus AR square is equals to OR square. So here OA square plus 3 square is equals to 5 square. 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25. Then it will be OA square is equals to 25 minus 9. It will be 16. OA square is equals to 4 square. Square से square हमारे cancel हो गए. Then it will be OA is equals to 4 cm. Then ORSM will be a kite. OR is equals to RS is equals to SM. So we know that the diagonals of the kite are perpendicular and the diagonal common to the both of the isosceles triangle is bisected by the another diagonal. So in triangle RCS, RC is equals to CM. So in triangle RCS is equals to we are using the formula of right angle triangle. It's half into base into height. So 1 upon 2 into OA into RS. It will be 1 upon 2 into in triangle ORS 1 upon 2 into RC into OS. So we can write 1 upon 2 into 4 into 6. Then it will be RC into 5 24. Okay. Then RC is equals to 24 को अगर हम 5 से cancel करते हैं then it will be 4.8. Okay. So RC is equals to 2 RM. Okay, 2 RC is equals to RM. Then it will be 2 into 4.8. So we can write RM is equals to 9.6. Therefore we have find the distance between the Reshma and Mandeep. So distance between the Reshma and Mandeep is 9.6 meter. Clear? Question number 6. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at the equal distance on a boundary of each having a toy telephone in his hand. To talk each other, find the length of the string of each phone. Here we have to find the string of each phone. So first we draw the diagram and we place Ankur, David and Syed in this diagram. Okay, so it will be if we join AD, DS and AS, it's triangle. Okay, and OB is the perpendicular on it. So it is given that AS is equals to SD is equals to DA. Therefore in triangle ASD is an equilateral triangle. Okay, because each side is equal, so it's equilateral triangle. OA is equals to radius. Radius is 20 meter. So we know that the median of equilateral triangle pass through the circumcenter O of the equilateral triangle ASD. So we know that the medians of intersect each other in the ratio 2:1. As AB is the median of equilateral triangle ASD, we can write OA upon OB is equals to 2 upon 1. So OA is 20 upon OB is equals to 2 upon 1. It will be OB is equals to 20 upon 2. So OB is equals to its 10 centimeter. Then AB is equals to OA plus OB. We can write AB is equals to OA plus OB. Okay. So 20 plus 10, it will be 30 meter. Then in triangle ABD, we are using PGT. AD square is equals to AB square plus BD square. So AD square is equals to 30 square, and we can write AD is the half part of BD. So we can write AD upon 2 whole square. So it will be AD square 30 square, it's 900. Okay, and AD square is 1 upon 2. So it will be 2 square is 4, 1 upon 4 AD square. If we subtract 1 upon 4 AD square in AD square, so it will be 3 upon 4 AD square. Okay, so we can solve this. AD square is equals to 1200. Okay, 1200, then it will be AD is equals to 20 root 3. Therefore the length of the string of each phone will be 20 root 3 meter. So here आपकी एक्सरसाइज 10.4 कंप्लीट होती है.